Okay, suppose that you have a wave. 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 Okay, so this is a wave. Which type of wave? This is a mechanical waves. Which type? This is a mechanical, or we can say mechanical waves. This is a mechanical waves, and the top part, the top part, this, and this is the lowest part. This is the lowest part. The top part is known as crest. Is known as crest. This is crest. Crest, and this is known as trough. Trough. Okay. The top part is known as crest, and the negative maximum part, maximum point is known as trough. Is known as trough. I hope you are getting. Okay, and this is a mean position. Mean position. Okay, this line is a center line by which the wave is moving from positive side or negative side. This is positive and this is negative. Okay, so this line with ये जो बीच की line है, this line is known as the mean position or mean line. Okay, and if I am going to measure the distance between the zero line to this wave, this is a maximum distance. This distance is a maximum distance. Okay, this distance is known as the maximum distance, and the maximum distance is known as amplitude. Amplitude. This maximum distance is known as the amplitude. Okay, so what is the definition of amplitude? We can write it is the amplitude, the maximum distance from mean position, to crest. Okay, crest, or we can say crest or trough. Crest trough is called amplitude, and the SI unit of amplitude is meter. The SI unit of amplitude is meter. I hope you are getting. Okay, I hope you are getting. Okay, and this is a crest and this is a crest. This is a trough and this is a trough, and the distance between crest to crest, the distance between crest to crest. What is the distance between crest to crest? This is a distance between crest to crest. This is a distance between crest to crest, and this distance is known as lambda. Lambda means wavelength. So what is the definition of wavelength? What is the definition of wavelength? The distance between two consecutive, we can write the distance between two consecutive, ओके ऐसे नहीं कि आप एक consecutive मीन्स लगातार एक क्रेस्ट ये है तो दूसरा क्रेस्ट ये लेना पड़ेगा, नहीं ऐसे नहीं कि एक क्रेस्ट ये ले रहे हैं एक क्रेस्ट दूसरा ले रहे हैं, वो नहीं, consecutive two crust, okay, the distance between two consecutive crust, the distance between two consecutive crust is termed as wavelength, is termed as wavelength. And what is the SI unit of wavelength? SI unit of wavelength, you can write here, okay, the distance between two consecutive consecutive crest or trough is termed as wavelength, okay, and it is denoted by lambda. It is denoted by lambda. The symbol of lambda is this, okay. And what is the SI unit of wavelength? The SI unit of wavelength is angstrom. The SI unit of wavelength is angstrom. Okay, and it is denoted by A, and A के ऊपर ऐसे गोला, okay, and 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. 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 ऑडियो में दिक्कत आ रहा है क्या? My audio is clear? Audio is clear? Please comment. Student, please comment. My audio is am I audible to you, or my audio is clear to you? Please comment. Okay. So wavelength, you know what is the wavelength? The distance between two consecutive crests, or the distance between two consecutive trough, is known as the wavelength, and the SI unit of wavelength is angstrom, and 1 angstrom, you know, 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. This is minus 10, okay, 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and it is denoted by lambda, okay. And this is a amplitude, the maximum distance between mean to crest, or the distance between mean to perpendicular distance, we can say, okay, the perpendicular we can write the maximum distance from mean position to crest or trough is called amplitude, or we can write the perpendicular distance, okay, we can write the perpendicular distance, from mean position to crest is known as the amplitude. अदर वर्ड में भी लिख सकते हैं आप, the maximum distance, okay, the maximum distance in a positive direction from mean position, और इसको आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, the maximum distance between mean position the maximum distance between mean position in a positive or negative node, okay, the maximum distance between mean position in a positive or negative node is called amplitude, okay. And what is what is wavelength? What is wavelength? The distance between two consecutive crest to crest means crest to crest is equal to lambda. Okay, is equal to lambda, or we can write trough to trough. Trough to trough is also called lambda. Okay, और ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. If I ask crest to trough, if I ask crest to trough, the distance between crest to trough. If I asked you the distance between crest to trough from here to here, okay, this is from here to here, this is lambda, here to here, this is lambda, and if I asked you from crest to trough, this is half of lambda. So if I ask the distance between crest to trough is equal to lambda by 2, okay, and trough, trough, trough to crest is also called lambda by 2. okay, तो ये भी आप लिख सकते हैं. okay, now what is frequency? What is frequency? Now what is frequency? Mean position. Okay, this is mean position. Now what is frequency? What is frequency? What is frequency? Okay, suppose that this is a fan. Suppose that this is a fan, and this fan is rotating 5 round in a 1 second. In a 1 second. Listen carefully what I am saying. Suppose that this is a fan, and this fan is rotating 5 round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within 1 second. Within 1 second. So this 5 round is known as its frequency. Is known as its frequency. Suppose that मैंने क्या बोला? I said to you आकाश. I said to you आकाश. Okay? आपका क्या है? यहाँ पे कान है, एयर है. जैसे ही मैंने आकाश बोला, तो जो आपके कान का पर्दा है, जो आपका कान का पर्दा है, ये 50 बार इसने क्या किया? वाइब्रेशन किया. 50 बार वाइब्रेशन किया, ऐसे. ठीक है, ऐसे वाइब्रेशन किया 50 टाइम्स. So the frequency is 50 hertz. The frequency is, we can say the 50 cycle. Okay, we can say the 50 cycle, and this 50 cycle is known as its frequency. This 50 cycle is known as its frequency. So what is the definition of frequency? If we are going to write the definition of frequency, so what is the definition of frequency? Or we can write the number of wave. This is one wave from here to here. This is one round. Okay, this is one round, and from here to here this is second round. From here to next this is third round. So अगर if 1 second में, अगर ये 1 second में इतना पूरा कर रहा है, 1 second में इतना पूरा कर रहा है, तो it means कितने राउंड हो गए? 2 राउंड. So the frequency is 2. So what we can write? If we are going to write the definition, so what is the definition of frequency? What is the definition of frequency? We can write the number of waves. We can write the number of waves or cycle or round, or we can write oscillation. Okay, the number of waves, cycle, round, oscillation in 1 second. In 1 second is called frequency. Okay, is called its frequency. Okay, and what is the SI unit of frequency? The SI unit of frequency is hertz. HERTZ, and it is denoted by HZ. It is denoted by HZ. And what is HZ? What is frequency mean? Frequency is equal to 1 upon t. Okay, so frequency hertz, so hertz is equal to 1 upon t, t second, sec second. So this is a formula. Frequency is equal to 1 upon t. We can write frequency is equal to hertz upon 1 second. These are the two formula related to the frequency. Okay. The next is time period. What is time period? Time period what is time period? Time period means, suppose that a fan is moving, sorry, this is a fan, and this fan is moving 60 round in 1 second, or we can write 60 round in 60 minute. बहुत ज्यादा हो गया, बहुत 60 राउंड इन 1 सेकेंड, चलो 1 सेकेंड ही लिख लो, 1 सेकेंड. ये फैन है, ये फैन क्या कर रहा है, 60 राउंड कर रहा है एक सेकेंड में, 60 राउंड. तो एक राउंड कंप्लीट करने में कितना टाइम लेगा? मेरी बात समझ में आ रहा? सपोज दैट दिस इज ए मार्कर एंड दिस मार्कर इज गोइंग लेफ्ट एंड राइट in 1 second 5 times, मीन एक सेकंड में 5 बार, 1 2 3 4 5. ओके, तो एक सेकंड में 5 बार, तो एक राउंड में कितना टाइम ले रहा है? एक सेकंड तो वो पूरे 5 में ले रहा है, लेकिन एक राउंड में कितना टाइम ले रहा है? आर यू गेटिंग मी व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? एक राउंड में, सपोज दैट मैं आई एम गिविंग वन मोर एग्जांपल. सपोज दैट एक चक्का है, स्कूटर का एक चक्का है ना, ये साइकिल का एक पहिया है. ये पहिया, ये यहाँ पे मैं मार्क लगा देता हूँ, और ये मार्क घूमता है एक राउंड, ऐसे ही 2 राउंड, ऐसे ही 3 राउंड. ओके, तो ये 10 राउंड पूरा करता है, 10 राउंड पूरा करता है 5 सेकंड में. 10 राउंड पूरा करता है कितना? 5 सेकंड में. तो 1 राउंड कितने में, 1 राउंड कंप्लीट करने में कितना टाइम लगाएगा? 10 राउंड करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? मींस हाफ सेकंड. सो द टाइम पीरियड इज हाफ सेकंड. मींस एक साइकिल को पूरा करने में कितना टाइम ले रहा है? दैट टाइम इज नोन एज द टाइम पीरियड. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ टाइम पीरियड? टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टू कंप्लीट 1 सेकंड, और वी कैन राइट time required to complete one oscillation, one round, one cycle. Okay, one round, one cycle, one oscillation. Time required to complete one oscillation, one round, one cycle, or one wave is called time period. Okay, and it's called time period. Okay, it's called time period. So you know very well, f is equal to 1 upon t, and if यहाँ से t को कैलकुलेट करो, if I am going to calculate the t in this equation, if I am going to calculate the value of t, so can we write t is equal to 1 upon f? Okay, t is equal to 1 upon f. तो फॉर्मूला क्या बन गया? t is equal to 1 upon f. टाइम पीरियड is equal to 1 upon f. टाइम पीरियड is equal to 1 upon f. So this is a formula. Okay, this is a formula you have. Sakshi Pawar. Okay, don't worry bete. So I hope you get the point. I hope you get the point. I hope you get the point. So ये समझ में आ गया सबके? Please comment. Please comment. Okay, what is the definition of frequency? The number of waves cycle round oscillation in 1 second is called frequency. The SI unit of frequency is hertz. F is equal to 1 upon T, or we can write in another word, hertz is equal to 1 upon second. What is the wavelength? The distance between two consecutive crest or trough is termed as wavelength. It is denoted by lambda. The SI unit of wavelength is angstrom, and you know very well 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay, and what is amplitude? What is amplitude? What is amplitude? The perpendicular distance from mean position to crest or trough is called amplitude. And the SI unit of amplitude is meter. Okay, or in another word we can write the maximum distance between mean position in a positive or negative node is called amplitude. What is time period? Time required to complete one oscillation, one round, one cycle, one wave is called time period, and the formula is T is equal to 1 upon F. This is known as crest, this is known as trough. जो पॉजिटिव उसमें होगा उसको क्रेस्ट कहेंगे, जो नेगेटिव उसमें होगा उसको ट्रफ कहेंगे. एंड दिस इज अ मीन पोजीशन, and the maximum distance between the mean position to in a positive node, or the perpendicular distance between the mean position and crest is known as amplitude. और ये चीजें आपको समझ में आ गई होंगी, आई होप. ओके, तो इसकी डेफिनेशन और नोट्स लिख के आप मुझे पीडीएफ सेंड कर देना. ओके, पीडीएफ सेंड कर देगा. आज की क्लास हम यहीं पे बाइंड अप कर रहे हैं. ओके.